Whew. Up early, about to get it in. Important to have a healthy mind, body, and soul. So we're about to hit it in the gym. I'll holler at y'all after. Let's get it. Real men get it done. Good morning. I'm doing good.
Start off, dumbbell, right? You're gonna go down, you're gonna go out, plank jack, in, stand up, press overhead, right? Down, out, plank jack, in, come on, press overhead. Got it? You can stop, then we're gonna do our basketball drill. Act like a basketball on the ground, right? Block, pick it up and shoot it, block, pick it up and shoot it, okay? I've never seen a basketball hover right here, okay? Because I see people like, okay? Pick it off the ground, guys, all right? So, 2 steps at each station. Got it. Let's do some high knees, guys. Out.
This is going to be a doozy.
Right, squat down. Big circle. Out, down, down, down.
Our trainer always challenging us. It's going to be cool. Love to work hard, so let's get it. as y'all can see, the boy getting it in. Whew, man, that was a tough workout. I'm a part of, it's called Fit Body, FIT, Fit Body Boot Camp. And it's a chain, so I mean, you probably can find it, in your local area or something similar. But I love it because it's a good mixture. It's almost like a personal trainer, but with a group of people, smaller gym. Y'all saw me in there. I was trying to have my mask on since we just got off of being in quarantine, just to make sure, because my wife caught it. We were assuming at the gym because it was like her and two other ladies. One lady got it first, and it was like a domino effect. So he does a pretty good job of keeping everything clean and stuff, but you know, it's just the nature of where we at with everything, with this COVID and everything. So trying to be disciplined to kind of put a mask on, but it's so hard when you're trying to breathe. And I like to yell and motivate everybody else too. But yeah, a lot of hand washing, sanitizing, you know, after and stuff. So it was pretty good. Most people aren't talking because they don't like to, but I like to, if I'm struggling or if it's tough, I like to like grunt and get it out there. So me and a couple other people like to do that just to motivate this class along with the trainer. But yeah, my wife found it about a year ago. We both are pretty fit and active. We have been working out since our college days, and you know, we're in our 30s now. I did CrossFit for a couple of years and I loved it, but was looking for something different. And yeah, I love this because it has a CrossFit kind of vibe, but it works in cardio and everybody can do it. You'll see teenagers in there, all the way up to people like in their 60s and 70s. So it can be tough, but you can kind of adjust it to your adjust it, modify different things if you can't do everything, and the trainer will always help you with that. But it's just a good group, a smaller group of family, just kind of working out and getting strong and getting healthy, losing weight all together. So I love it. It's really cool, and that's why I do it. And then just talking about, you know, healthy mind, body, and soul. I mean, I said that before I went in, but it's really true. Like, we, even in the hustle and grind, like the behind the scenes of trying to get a brand up and going with my YouTube and merchandise and all social media, my cleaning business, like whether I'm doing that or even just a regular 9 to 5, like we so neglect ourselves, just hustling and grinding, you know, for our families, for ourselves, and even sometimes for our livelihood. We hustle and grind so much and we forget ourselves. So if anything, man, just want to send some motivation to y'all to say, man, take care of yourself. It doesn't have to be necessarily going to the gym every day, if you know, because you can't afford it, but it's so much stuff you can do free. It's so much stuff that we can do free, taking money out of the equation to take care of yourself. Are you waking up? And if you are religious, you know, I love reading my Bible, having a short devotion. Are you meditating? Are you just taking some time in the morning just to be still and sit? Maybe reflect on your day, reflect on everything that's going on. For me, my morning is very sacred because I like to start off with prayer and I get into my word, and that just helps me just start the day off with just balance, just being balanced. And then between 3 and 4 times out the day, 3 to 4 times out the week, I like to go work out. Not every day because I want to give my body some rest in between, but between 3 days, usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'll like to go work out and get it in. So that's another way I'm taking care of myself. Sleep. I know it used to be an old adage that like people that were rich and millionaires, they didn't sleep. And some people that's true, but I like following Gary Vee. He's a dude that I love following. And Gary Vee is a millionaire, and he's like, oh no, you need to sleep and take care of yourself. So that's important. Make sure that you're sleeping, man. Get some sleep. And trying to eat right as best as you can, you know. So picking up an apple here and there. And like I said, for the exercise piece, even if you can't afford it, walks are free. Parking your car a little bit further from your job, or when you go to Walmart, Target, and walking is free. Just trying to get your heart rate up, just trying to keep yourself moving. So yeah, man, it's just life. I know life can be crazy, it can be difficult, it can be challenging, but the one thing that we can control, if you can't control anything else, usually is yourself and the health and well-being of yourself. So try to be balanced, be healthy, and just get moving. So just be encouraged, not just motivate and encourage anyone who's seeing this to take care of yourself. You have to, because nobody else will. So I think that's it. And for my morning, I'm about to run this at Walmart, then go and head to work. And yeah, just getting it in. Great, beautiful day here in the South. It's 60 degrees right now, which is cool, but it'll be 80 by the end of today. So wherever you're at in the world, be motivated, be encouraged, and have a great day. Peace and blessings. Real men get it done.